welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, I beg make una carry chair. Make una carry chair, sit down. Gong, make una come here to read. Destiny Etiko don open yo le do she bombo. E don open now for outside. Hey, this one now that they call breeze don't blow. Foul nyash don't open. My people, all this while gonna the year yo le do she say he no know e direction, he no know where he dey, he no know whether na me Edochie, whether na Lizzy Gold, whether na Judy Austin. This man is living a confused life. My people, this man is not living a confused life. Oh, abeg make una carry chair. Destiny Etiko don't finish Yul Edochie. He don't finish am. That deepest secret, he don't come aside. As God take carry Destiny Etiko, use Destiny Etiko to expose this Yul Edochie plan. They say me Edochie they do thanksgiving, they thank God. Me Edochie they do thanksgiving. Hey, my people. They say person wey near person pass. Now you need to fear pass your distance enemy. You see your enemy wey not know anything about you. Don't be afraid of them the way you are afraid of people that you call your friends that are closer to you. Beware of those ones. Those are the most dangerous friend enemy that you don't know. So this is all about May Edochie. Hey, my people. They say May Edochie, they do thanksgiving. The woman, they dance. She, they dance. She, they happy. Say, Destiny Etiko, thank you. My lovely fans. Now, so Yul Edochie come begin to disturb everybody. Say he wants me Edochie back. Say me they beg me Edochie. As Yul Edochie they beg, he papa they beg for the other side, pikin they beg for this side. Make they settle me Edochie bikonu ogini zukwanike. Put this matter down. Let us settle. Yul Edochie come begin to talk. Since when me Edochie live in life no balance. Nothing good they happen to her. Judy Austin is bad luck. Judy Austin does spoil a life. My wife, please take me back. Let us settle. If he go court, he go need die, he go they cry. This man wanna they see so. If they show now Yul Edochie for court, you go know say social media and reality not be the same thing. Yul Edochie go dey die, go dey cry. Sometimes me Edochie sef her mind go even want soft somehow. When it be say her daughter Daniela go say, Mama, never. So all this begging, all this I'm sorry, oh please forgive me, I want us to come back. Now something else they find. No, not just something else. Something very dangerous. Very dangerous. You see a queen so romancing Mami Water. That woman, she will continue to softly. She will softly. That woman, she will find tears inside pains she not go see. Her heart is wicked. A queen so is wicked. She join hand with Yul Edochie for what I want to tell you now. She join hand with this man. This plan was not only for this man. Now this man can't carry this matter. Go they confess, give Lizzy Gold. Now Destiny Etiko here. According to wetin Yul Edochie go tell Lizzy Gold. Yul Edochie can't go pack people. Say me they beg me Edochie. Say me they settle. Make they settle. Now Lizzy Gold come here say, Yul Edochie they beg, say make him and me Edochie settle. Now Lizzy Gold come provoke, say, you stay one place, may you there know where you dey. Today, Judy, tomorrow your ex-wife, tomorrow she. What do you really want? Are you confused? Are you confused? What do you really want? Now Yul Edochie say, no, ain't just get waiting they find for May Edochie hand. Now Lizzy Gold say, make it tell her. He say, nothing serious, nothing serious. Now Lizzy Gold say, if you not tell her, this relationship go end. She will come out. She tell you, say, she's not like Judy Austin. She's ready to understand you. She know where you are coming from. She know your situation. She understand everything about you. She's not a desperate woman when you define my money. Tell me. I got you. Tell me. Now Yul Edochie come carry Lizzy Gold sit down. Yul Edochie come tell Lizzy Gold, say, this thing when I won't tell you so. No let 2 year oh. 2 year, no let her hear. Let her remain between me and you. Now Lizzy Gold can say, okay oh. Now Yul Edochie can tell and say, no be say he really won't go back to May Edochie for settlement oh, because he know say May Edochie mind no dey again. Even if he go back to May Edochie, the love will no longer be the same. May Edochie is not going to love him the way she loved him before. Even before May Edochie put in for divorce, she don already remove her body from the marriage. From the moment he announced Judy Austin, he said May Edochie don already remove her body comot for the marriage. So according to Yul Edochie say, but there is something when he dey push am go where May Edochie dey. Say he can't tell Lizzy Gold again. He said this thing make 2 year no year. Now he can't tell Lizzy Gold, say May Edochie do life insurance. Say May Edochie do life insurance. That life insurance in the inside. According to Yul Edochie, the life insurance when May Edochie do, the life insurance when May Edochie do, if anything happen to May Edochie enemy, they will pay Yul Edochie 80% of the money where they won't pay. Then they will pay the children 20%. So, before Judy Austin enter into the marriage, he explained to Judy Austin, say, see waiting day. So Judy Austin come up with a plan. Say before she show her face, make them remove May Edochie. My people, when I tell una say, make una carry chair sit down, una think say I dey joke. Make una carry chair sit down oh. Hey, and make una listen to this video from the beginning to the end. The end, it go shock una. It go shockolize una. Now Yul Edochie come tell Judy Austin the amount of money when they go pay, am in case anything happen to May Edochie. In case May Edochie enemy bear RIP. Now Judy Austin come ask and say, what about you? He say he not do. He say May Edochie tell him he do. He say no, he not take him serious. He say now one day when May Edochie go there, when May Edochie say because May Edochie dey pay. He dey pay, but in case anything happen to May Edochie, say he say May Edochie say they do, in case anything happen to her, her children no go suffer. The same thing their father did, and the same thing their mother did. That's why they are living well. So May Edochie decided to do the same thing for her children. So Yul Edochie said the day when May Edochie go this insurance company, when they go pay money, he said they can't begin to talk. He said they can't begin to calculate the amount of money in case anything happen to May Edochie, how they go take pay and everything. He said when they call amount, Yul Edochie say when they call their mouth, he say he nearly fall from chair. He say Betmi Edochie dey pay big money. She dey pay because depend on what you dey pay for ground. Oh. You get the biggest one day, then the medium one day, then the smallest. Depend on where your pocket reach. He said the highest one, Ami Edochie just invest on. He said he got dey tell me Edochie for the beginning. He said the beginning when me Edochie tell him. He said now I can't tell me Edochie if anything not come happen to Ranko. That money go just waste. He said me Edochie come say what if something happen? And this money no me say now only one person buy at young age. Even if she old to her old age, she can't buy, they will still pay her children. It's a kind of service for her children so that they will not suffer if she buy. He say tell Yul Edochie say me Edochie tell her. Say make he come do, he say no do. He say now the day we follow me Edochie go there. He say when they call money, in case anything happen to me Edochie, when they call the money, when they will pay our children with him, he say nearly fall for chair. Say I say, this money don't big rich like this. Say when they come out, now he call they tell me Edochie say this money big go. He say me Edochie cause you know they see how much when they pay for the insurance. Depend on what you pay. That is what they will also give to your loved ones. So Yul Edochie say, I reach am, no be say that very day when they go so. He say me Edochie, they still sign her. 80% will go to him, while 20% will go to our children. When Yul Edochie hear this thing, he can't tell Judy Austin. Now there and Judy Austin, they can't try to dey fire things to me Edochie to remove her. You see all those times when they try to buy me Edochie, when they try to dash this woman RIP. Now because of that insurance money. Una don dey get the point now. Because of the insurance money, now I make them they try to buy me Edochie, try to remove her so that Yul Edochie will go carry that big money. He and Judy Austin go come dey eat. They do. They no fit buy me Edochie. So when Yul Edochie see say all the things where they try, this woman no gree go. The woman head is strong past coconuts. Now Yul Edochie can't come up with another plan. So the plan when Yul Edochie come up with right now is to settle back with me Edochie. Settle back, get close to her, and then remove her. Now that insurance money, now Yul Edochie day after. The settlement and the coming back to me Edochie, the begging and everything where Yul Edochie they do is not because he's coming back for anything. It's coming back because of that insurance money. He say if he think about that money, he say no, they see sleep. He say he might go dey beat big. He say his heart go dey cut. Hey, if me Edochie marry another man, now that man go come chop that money. He say that thing dey chop am. Now he look and say no. Make him go beg me Edochie. Make me Edochie forgive am. They go settle like husband and wife. Then they will come back together. Then he will slowly handle the work by sending me Edochie to where he won't go. So that he will fit collect 80% from that money. Now Lizzie Gold come tell and say, so you dey try to settle, make you remove this woman from ground. He say Yul Edochie tell and say, not be saying go just remove her like that too. He go slowly remove her. But the woman need to go. That money he need her. He need the money. And the only way he can put her in that money is this woman to go. And the earlier he do one, the better. Because if this man Edochie carry another man, he go put that man in. Now be say he no go gain anything. He no fit fold the hand, watch that one happen. No. He say lie ye. Say no fit fold the hand. Make you see that kind of thing happen. Say you see this money. He said this money, he must collect am. He said now be the settlement where they find him. He said no be only. He say and somebody else don't discuss this thing for inside their family. Say they tell am say quick. If you can settle with this woman, if you can get this woman back, no wasting of time this time around. Target that money. If you now know the amount of money, if you now know, that was before Yul Edochie and Mai Edochie even think of getting divorced, or even think of bringing Judy Austin in, because the money they increase. The way the money where they pay they increase, and so the money where they will pay the person children in case the person buy go increase. Mai Edochie, the amount of money my people no be wetin I fit call. Before Amobingo dey beg say he won't come back, make he come back to come remove Mai Edochie, make he for go collect money. You think say na small money? So that was Yul Edochie plan. Now Lizzy Goat come tell Yul Edochie say anything we get RIP, she no dey put hand o. For she go advise you say, Yul Edochie, struggle hard, work for yourself. God will bless you. Remove vibe for everything when it got to do with Mai Edochie. That woman have seen a lot. She have gone through a lot. That woman, I don't see something. Leave that woman alone. You know, if you still go say you won't go see chop and money. Now Lizzy go say no get hand for this one. No. You see this one where you talk so he's strong person. Now Yul Edochie tell Lizzy go say, now make her no one tell you. Because he no say you no go support. But you see Judy Austin, Judy Austin I start the work. Judy Austin I even put the idea for your head. He said Judy Austin tell her say, so that kind of math they there. Now you follow this woman, they talk for social media. Person where you go remove for ground, go collect your money. Since your name they there, 80% for you, 20% for our children. Yul Edochie say Judy Austin, that one they support her. That one they really go different native daughter place. Just to remove Mai Edochie, make them collect that money. But they don't know why Mai Edochie no agree buy. The goat can say she wash her hand come up for this one. Oh. She not get hand for this one. She not data child. Oh. She not dey put hand for anything when it get to do with RIP. She not get hand. He can't even still the advice Yul Edochie say, may Yul Edochie remove hand for batting. Make it go also. Now Yul Edochie tell Lizzy go say lie. Say that money, he must collect am. As long as Mai Edochie never change that name, Mai Edochie never change that thing still results 80% to his name. He say he must get am. Yul Edochie say if not to come out for social media, come kneel down beg Mai Edochie. He say at this point he go do am. Because now only one know wetin they do am for them. He say he go do am. That is how desperate he is. You see how desperate he is. He say he go come out for social media. He go beg. Say no concern her. He say he don't fair do am before. He go do am again. He say because now he know the money we won't collect. Now Lizzy Goat say, this one pass am. This one pass am. RIP. So this woman, they don't even plan to buy this woman. Now Lizzy Goat carry. Now he go tell Destiny Etiko. Say Destiny Etiko, where you dey? He know say they say me they not tell you this thing. But he know if he keep this one. This one involve life and RIP. Now Destiny Etiko say God forbid bad thing. Which kind bad news? Lizzy Goat, why you just call am? They tell am bad news. Say this thing involve RIP. If na RIP no one just hear at all. Now Lizzy Goat say no, you need to hear this one. You need to hear this one. Now Lizzy Goat tell Destiny Etiko say, Yul Edochie just confess give am na. Confess give am about RIP for Mai Edochie enemy. As Destiny Etiko hear Mai Edochie, Destiny Etiko jump. Now no say she like Mai Edochie well. Now she say, Lizzy Goat all years, I'm ready to hear. I'm ready to listen. Wetin dey happen? Now Lizzy go say this one no be phone call talk o. Yul Edochie don confess give am. If you see the confession wey this man confess, she herself don dey fear for herself. Because if he can do it to his wife, who is she wey dem no go do am to? And na him and Judy Austin, two of them, na him dey on this mission. Na so Lizzy Gold and Destiny take meet themselves o. They come begin dey discuss this matter. Now Lizzy Gold come dey tell Destiny Etiko say, see wetin they plan towards May Edochie, but their plan fail. So after Lizzy Gold don explain give Destiny Etiko, so Destiny Etiko dey shout o. Destiny Etiko come dey shout, blood of Jesus, May Edochie, I cover you with the blood of Jesus. I surrender you with the fire of the Holy Ghost. May Edochie be protected. May Edochie be protected. May Edochie be protected. That Lizzy Gold come tell am say, this one no be only May Edochie be protected. She need double protection because this man say he must get it go. He say anything wey he take am to fit enter into May Edochie life again, he go do am. He said this man tell am say make she no worry, say he is not going there because of anything. He said not even because of the property, the money or anything. He said compared to the money when he go collect for May Edochie life insurance, he said he pass all those Ajah mansion, all the properties of May Edochie. Una see as the money big. He said the money big pass all May Edochie property. He said so if you want to go and target, he said so if you want cash meat for inside thick forest, make sure say you go for big one. For you to take a risk to enter into the evil forest for hunting animals, not just go there go catch pussy. Go there go catch big antelope, big animal. He said so as in they return back with the insult and everything we want to take. He said no mind. He said but his target is what he's calculating. And the target is the money for May Edochie life insurance. Now Destiny Etiko carry matter go meet May Edochie. Call May Edochie, say May Edochie. He be like say God na he carry am come put to work with these people. Because it's when he sit down they work with these people. Waiting she don dey hear, she dey fear. This is not the first time when they call you. This is not the second time. This is the third time. When they call you, say, see wetin dey happen. But you see this one, so I beg May Edochie, don't take it for granted. He just dey hear now say, you do life insurance. May Edochie gon shock. This is something that is supposed to be private. This is something that is supposed to be within her and her children or her husband. As Destiny Etiko talk am, May Edochie shock. Now Destiny Etiko come begin tell May Edochie everything when Yul Edochie talk. Now so May Edochie say, hey, Destiny Etiko, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. How did she forget? How did she forget? May Edochie say she have changed everything in life. Do you know that this life insurance, she never changed her? That life insurance, Yul Edochie still have 80% right to that money. He said, how did she forget? How? Destiny Etiko, God bless you. Destiny Etiko, God bless you. Hey, this call for Thanksgiving. Now May Edochie, no waste time. Call the office, call the life insurance people. In they call na. May Edochie run go where she for do a life insurance. So tell them say abeg, oh yeah, make una dey change her. If anything happen to her 3 children have the right to all the money be shared among 3 of them equally. One oh no big pass one, it go be equal when they go share am. Now May Edochie come tell them say, Osiso. That name Yul Edochie, make una cancel am, remove am with immediate effect. Now so they can't remove that name of Yul Edochie come for May Edochie Life Insurance. As I dey talk to una, May Edochie dey do Thanksgiving dance. Now she dey dance. She don't call the priceless call Messiano Skincare. Tell them say, hey, see wetin dey happen. Messiano Skincare say how. May Edochie say see me. You know she's a very careful and activity. You know that she's a woman that is very careful with all her things. But how she take forget this one, she no know. And she never knew that these people are after that money. She will put money there, she no even put mind. She just put hand there, say, for it's like savings account, just leave it there. But person wey no get money, don't they think of how to remove May Edochie comot for road, make them go carry money. Messiano Skincare shout, priceless say e no surprise am. Because those two desperate people, they can do anything. That priceless say ask May Edochie, have you changed it? May Edochie say, now you dey talk this one. Now you dey talk this one. With immediate effect, he don't do everything. He don't wrong. Would change everything. Una see the reason. Now so May Edochie come dey thank Destiny Etiko. You see this Destiny Etiko walk when he walk with Yul Edochie. Look like God now put on there to expose many things. Because it's when Destiny Etiko they work with these people. Many things when Destiny Etiko don't expose. Now this one I can't shock May Edochie pass. And how did she forget to change that name? You see where God for go save May Edochie. Any small settlement between May Edochie and Yul Edochie, May Edochie enemy for go see her ancestors. Whereby Yul Edochie will go carry insurance money. And meanwhile, after everything that May Edochie changed, this is the only thing she did not change. Which Yul Edochie will carry 80% and give 20% to the children. The reason why May Edochie do it, because he don't say when May Edochie do this life insurance. The children, they're still small. He never even born son that time. The children still small. That's why she said their father 20%, the children, their father 80%, the children 20%, because it's the father that will take care of the children. They were little. So since then, she did not change it. Not knowing, say, Oga Amubingo, now insurance money, now they carry come back. Fear people wey near you pass your distance enemy. Those are your really worst enemy. See how they are praying to remove May Edochie. May they collect insurance money. They say Yul Edochie say Mama Judy Austin, the sister, all the family, none of them will not go different places to cancel May Edochie enemy because of insurance money. Now so May Edochie they pray for Destiny Etiko. They pray for her, say Destiny, I don't know I want to thank you. I don't know I want to thank you. Many things you always come for her. You don't know what you do for her. He never changed this name. He never changed her. He still remain 80% to this man. So this is what they are begging to come back for. All those please come back, settle. Now insurance money, oh. Insurance money, life insurance money. When Yul Edochie not put thinkable, when you won't go collect. And Judy Austin know about this life insurance. And she also supported that they should remove May Edochie, may she too self go chop money. That is how wicked the world is. Destiny Etiko, God will bless you. God will bless you. When you take open May Edochie eye, God will bless you for this one. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.